Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is appealing to Jamaicans not to become complacent with the new Omicron BA.2 variant now in the island. Dr. Tufton says the government is monitoring the situation closely and if needs be will be revisiting some of the COVID-19 measures that were recently lifted. Shamela Pullen reports.
On Thursday, the Ministry of Health issued a press release confirming that the BA.2 Omicron variant of COVID-19 is now in the island, also warning that it is not as deadly as the Delta variant, but it is highly contagious. It's why Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is cautioning against complacency.
However, we can't be complacent. We have to recognize that people can get ill, can be hospitalized, and people can die. We had always anticipated that there would be the possibility of additional variant strains and additional surges. The truth is we have been able to manage fairly well in controlling the last surge. There were several issues which needed to be addressed beyond public health, getting our children back to school, people to work, and so on. And so we had to relax the measures because we thought we know it was the right thing to do at the time.
The minister also pointed out that should cases spiral and become a public health threat, the government will not hesitate to act.
The Public Health Act and the Quarantine Act has the authority through the Minister of Health to reimpose measures if necessary in the interest of protecting the greater good. We do not see the need for that at this point in time, but I think it's important that the country recognizes that there is that option despite the doing away of the DRMA.
The health minister says the ministry will continue to monitor the situation and make the necessary preparations where needed.
And our hospital system, which now has a small percentage of beds occupied, the last time I checked it was about 12 or 13 COVID cases, still has capacity. And if we see signs of increase in hospitalization, then we will take whatever necessary measures there are.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.